Let me show you how we can fix the missing LDAC option in Bluetooth device settings on your Motorola Moto G87. So the reason why you might not have LDAC option in the device details over here, this can be due to the fact that you may have just installed an app for your Bluetooth device. For example, for my earbuds, I just have installed this app over here where I can make some changes here and there for earbuds, like for example the EQ, I can control the noise control, and so on and so forth. And among all of these options, there's one that actually has an impact on the LDAC availability in settings. And it is the quality or the priority of the quality. So I can choose connection quality or the sound quality over here. If I choose connection quality, then I cannot use LDAC, but if I switch to the sound quality and if I go back to settings, now as you can see, I am indeed using LDAC again. So essentially, if you just installed an app for your Bluetooth device, you want to check out settings of that Bluetooth device inside of this app, and you want to search for an option that is related to the sound quality, and you want to make sure that actually the sound is the priority for your device. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.